Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to work with the Skilling Broker dashboard step by step. When we enter the trading cabin in the Skilling Broker, you will see the navigation bar at the top where the official logo of the Skilling Broker is displayed. And by clicking on it, you will be taken to the main page or home dashboard. In this section, you will see the search bar for searching instruments. From this section, you can view various trading symbols like Apple, Bitcoin, Euro, USD. At the bottom, you will see the category filters. These are filters for quickly categorizing symbols to make it easier to switch between assets. In the left column section, you will see the list of trading symbols. In this section, you can view various symbols including currency pairs, indices, gold and silver, cryptocurrencies, and company stocks. At the top, you can see the sell and buy columns, which display the current price for buying and selling each symbol. The percentage changes at the end of the column, showing the price changes over a specified time period, such as daily, was in percentage. In the center of the page, you can see the real-time price of the selected symbol, which is USD, with a 15-minute time frame. At the top of the page, the opening price, the highest price, the lowest price, and the closing price are displayed to you. By clicking on the indicator option in this section, you can add indicators like RSI, MACD, etc. to your chart. And there is a tool for changing the time frame in this section, which allows you to change your time frame by selecting it at the bottom of the page, which pertains to the trades and positions section. In the positions section, your open positions are displayed to you. In the orders section, the orders that have not been activated are displayed to you. And in the history section, it shows you the history of your trades. On the right side of the page, you can see the order placement panel. In this section, it shows you the selected symbol, which is EUR.USD. Our order type is buy type. The market mode is selected. Instant execution of the order is at the market price. And in the price section, while you can see the current purchase price. In the amount unit section, you enter the volume you intend to trade. In the cash needle USD section, we see the required margin amount to open the position. And further down, there are two options, stop loss at and take profit at, where you can specify the SL and TP levels by activating these options. The buy button activates the purchase trade when clicked. Note that if you intend to sell, by selecting the sell option, you complete the related sale details. In the info section, you can see the market information. You can see the daily range, which shows you the daily interval. And we can review information such as leverage, spread, description, and symbol explanations in this section. In the advanced info section, if you need more advanced information such as free margin, average spread, desired currency, and your status, it is visible here. In the upper right corner, you can see the account status. The total value of your account is $10,000 and your account type is a demo account, and in this section it shows you the amount of funds engaged in trades and the usage percentage. On the left side of the page, you can see the navigation bar, which has subcategories. The first subcategory is the trading option, which connects you to the trading dashboard, allowing you to conduct your trades. The next section is the Market Explorer. By clicking on this option, a list of available markets such as currency pairs, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities is displayed to you, suitable for searching and finding new trading opportunities based on categories. The next section is the Economic Calendar, which displays important economic events such as interest rate announcements, unemployment index, and so on. Each event usually includes the time, country, importance, and forecast of the actual result, which you can review by filtering and searching. This is very crucial for fundamental traders. The next section is news, which has two submenus, video news and news feed. In the video news section, you can watch daily news, financial, and economic videos from reliable sources. And in the newsfeed section, you have real-time text news. That includes analyses, economic news, and announcements. The next section pertains to reports, which has three subcategories: performance, activity, and transaction. In the performance section, profit and loss, trade success rate, drawdown, etc. are displayed to you in chart and statistical form. As you can see on this page, we have not yet performed any activity with the skilling broker. The next section pertains to the complete list of your activities, such as opening, closing, and editing positions, and so on. As you can see, you are able to check the status of your trades in this section. The next option, pertains to transactions, where the history and status of deposits and withdrawals in the real account are displayed to you. Since we have not conducted any transactions with this broker, it does not provide us with a list. The next section is related to education, which includes several subsections for learning market concepts. The first part is the video carousel, which consists of educational video courses on technical analysis, market psychology, and so on. The next section pertains to ebooks, which provides you with educational digital books in PDF format. And by clicking the read option, you can study these materials. The next option is related to the glossary. This section pertains to the specialized vocabulary of financial markets, where you can search and review the terms you are interested in. For example, when you click on this word, explanations about it will be displayed to you. The next section is about the education Trade Assistant, which is an automated guidance tool or smart bot to assist in decision-making for trades. By pressing the Start option, you select your desired instrument and complete this by pressing the Continue option. The next part is related to My Account. In the Account section, you can view your active accounts, whether real or demo, and the ability to switch between them. In the Profile section, personal information such as name, email, phone number, and identity verification documents for the real account are displayed to you. The next section shows you the general platform settings, which include the broker's language and theme. By selecting the light option, you can change the broker's theme to light mode, and by turning it off, it returns to dark mode. The next section is communication, where you can manage the emails and messages you receive from the platform, including news, announcements, and promotions. The next section is related to withdrawal. The financial sections include transfer, withdrawal, and deposit. As you can see, because our identity verification in the skilling broker is not completed, the deposit withdrawal session and internal transfer pages do not open for us. To perform financial operations in the skilling broker, you must complete your identity verification process. In future videos, we will guide you completely on how to deposit and withdraw in the skilling broker. By clicking the option, we close this page. The next section is related to help with the first part concerning the live chat of the skilling broker. The second part is the help desk, which deals with frequently asked questions. If you have any questions, you can search in this section and quickly find the answer to your question. And the last section, which is related to documents, allows you to view and download all the rules, terms of use, and policies of the skilling broker. At the bottom of the page, you will see the Logout option, which, when clicked, will log you out of the trading cabin in the skilling broker. And you will see the green deposit option, which is for depositing funds into your real account. The current balance of the demo account is $10,000. We return to the main page. These were the explanations regarding working with the skilling broker dashboard. If you have any questions or if any part needs further explanation, feel free to contact us in the comments. Wishing you success and profitability.